Biz Short in seconds, say what matters. On 11th July, forex markets projected a softer start for the Indian rupee, with the currency expected to trade in a range of 85.70-85.74 per US dollar. Investors grew cautious after President Trump escalated talks of sweeping tariff increases ranging from 15%, 20% on global trading partners and a targeted 35% on Canadian imports starting 1st August. The threat of expanded duties has reignited concerns over global economic growth and cross-border supply chains. The rupee had closed the previous session at 85.6350 rupees, but overnight strength in the dollar index, driven by the tariff announcements, has put the rupee under pressure. With the US dollar index gaining 0.8% over the week, analysts warn that unless US inflation data deviates significantly, the greenback's strength could persist. However, the dollar remains down approximately 11% year-to-date, according to ING Bank, which also notes that economic fundamentals now dominate sentiment more than tariff rhetoric. Domestic participants expect volatility in the 85.90-86.00 range, where cash and carry flows may emerge. Some arbitrage opportunities are appearing, with traders considering selling near 85.90-86.00 in anticipation of the dollar reversing later. Commodities also play a role. Brent crude hovering near $68.90 per barrel adds to India's import cost pressure, which could widen the current account deficit if sustained. Meanwhile, investors remain cautious in government bond space, though equity inflows from foreign institutions remain modest. NSDL data shows relatively balanced investor sentiment. Looking ahead, key focus areas include upcoming US inflation data, domestic macro indicators, and the Fed minutes. Any dovish tone from the US Federal Reserve could ease US dollar strength, offering breathing room to the rupee. On the flip side, persistent crude prices or renewed tariff threats would weigh on it. Source: Reuters, 11 July 2025. Stay tuned on Biz Short for more such updates.